How to create printables in Canva to sell on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will show you guys exactly how you can create amazing printable art that you can sell on Etsy like this using Canva. So let's get into it. Now you don't need to upgrade to Canva Pro. We're going to be using the free version of Canva, and you don't need to be a pro at this at all because this is totally beginner friendly. Even if you have no idea how to do this, I will show you guys step by step how you can get started. So you can see there are so many amazing mock-ups like this, and people are selling this amazing art. It's going for over $18, $19. So I searched for nursery printable art, and it's selling for $6, $27, $35 if it's like a pack of something. And it has variable pricing, but it's selling anywhere between $30 to $40, so depending on the number of things you're designing. So you can see this is like an amazing design, and let's say we want to create something like this, something that's animal based, whatever you might want. So all you have to do for this is head on over to Canva, and you can click on the top right over here. You have this custom size, so you can choose to build your own custom size, or you can choose a standard size as well. I'm gonna go with inches, and I'm actually gonna go with a 12 by 16 inch. And you can choose a specific size. That is totally up to you and what you want to create, but I'm just going to go with this size. You can choose A4 size, A5 size, whatever you want. Once you have this ready, you're going to click on your elements on the left side of your screen. Now, if you have a pre-existing image that you want to use in your printables, you can click on upload and upload that image, but we're going to be using free items from Canva. Now I'm just going to go into my element section, and I'm going to say, let's say I want to create a nursery themed printable. So I'm going to search for cute bear, and I'm going to click on graphics. And you can see there are so many adorable little options that you can choose from, but I am gonna go with this one. It looks very cute and it's very interesting, so I'm going to choose this one, and this one actually allows me to even change the colors. And you can click on the more items to see magic recommendations, which is similar items often created by the similar art creator as well. So let's say we want to add glasses. We can add glasses if we want, like this. You can add glasses to your bear. I think I like him without the glasses. They look a little too much, but we have multiple different options. I think I'm just going to go with the bear, and I'm going to edit the colors a little because I think it's a little too bright. So I might want to change the color scheme. I don't want it to be super reddish or peachy, so I'm just going to change the color scheme from here. And now for the background color, I'm going to take this document color and make it like a darker version of the document color, which is our bear. Just taking this, and I'm going to change the peach color as well, maybe like a different shade because I want it to be less peachy. So I'm just taking this color, then I'm going to select the second one, change this to over here as well, like so. And now that I have changed the colors a little bit and I am happy with it, I want to add some more elements. So I'm going to go back into my element section, and I'm going to search for flowers, and I'm going to click on graphics over here. I'm going to search for flowers bouquet, or maybe just flowers. And you can see you have quite a bunch of different options. So you can choose to take like a larger version and click on send to back and place it as like a background. I want to actually place them down below. So I'm going to search for like a bundle like these ones, or maybe something like this. I think this looks pretty adorable for a nursery themed poster or printable. So I'm just going to add this, and now I'm going to go into my text section, and you have a bunch of different font combos. So I'm just going to use a simple font combo like this one, you're the best, or you are loved. So I'm just going to take this text over here, and I'm going to place it like so right above our little bear. And I think this is a pretty cute little printable that people can hang in their nursery. Maybe I want to place it at the bottom. I think I'm going to place the text at the bottom as well. And I'm going to place my bear on top. And this is so adorable and looks so good. I think I might want to change the background, so I'm just going to edit this a little further. Maybe changing the background color a little bit, like so. I think this looks pretty good. Now, once I have done that, I'm just going to click on share. Then I'm going to click on download. Once you click on download, you don't want to download this as a JPEG or PNG. You actually want to, first off, I just like to download this as a PNG, and I'm going to tell you guys why I do that. After that, the actual version that you're going to provide to your customers, you're going to click on download and you're going to click on PDF print, because this is the one that is made the best for printing, and this is a printable, so you want your customers to have the best possible quality in terms of printing. So we're going to use PDF print. You also have crop marks in bleed, flatten PDF, include notes, RGB or CMYK, but for digital to use, RGB is fine. You're going to click on download, and the PDF print is going to be the one that you are going to upload as the file that you're selling. Now, how do you create this kind of mockup? Well, now you're going to go into Canva, and you can go into Canva's homepage. You're going to search for mockup over here, and you can see there are so many different types of mockup. Now, we have a neutral photo frame mockup. We also have this kind of mockup, and I'm just going to search for frame mockup instead. Now, we already have 2 examples, but we're going to look further. So you have a bunch of different options that you can choose from, and you can choose whatever you want. If you're selling them in packs, you can also choose these mockups with 2 different designs side by side, but I'm just going to take a very simple one like this one. I think this is pretty good. Now I'm going to click on customize this template, and now within this mockup, what you're going to do, I'm going to remove this, and we're going to upload our image over here. So remember that PNG version that I showed you guys, you're going to click on your uploads, you're going to click on upload files, and you're going to go into your downloads, upload that PNG over here, and place it in this mockup. Now below that, you want to add whatever information it is. If you have any other social links, you can add those as well. Then you're going to click on your element section, and you're going to go into lines and shapes. You're going to take a circular shape, change the color to like your mockup color, to any of the colors from your mockup. And once you have this, you're going to place it anywhere on the screen, make it like a decent size so it's pretty visible. And we are just going to place it on the side over here like this, and then click on these 3 circles on the top right, click on the transparency, make it pretty transparent, then go into your text section, add heading, write instant download, and then we're just going to capitalize this text and format it. And I'm just going to make it slightly bold, change the font color to white, and I will also just click on effects, and I will make it lifted up. And now I'm just going to place this in our circle like so. So now people know it's an instant download, and now we can click on share, click on download, and download this and upload our listing on Etsy. We already have a detailed video on how you can do Etsy listings, so make sure to check that out as well. And I will catch you guys in the next video.